Hi guys, here is the update of our garden. We covered this last night because of the possible frost. So our cukes are growing now. Yay! This is the beans. It's also start to grow. Thank God it's doing good. This is another plot for our beans because we love beans. So that's possible. Frost last night is the reason why we covered this plot. And thank God all is good. And our cukes did not freeze. Didn't get wilted. So keep going, and thank you so much. That's our garlic right there. So tonight we'll start planting the tomatoes and bell pepper. So let's the gardening start, guys. I love it. I love fresh vegetables.